Peanut? I think we got a peanut girl coming. Who is making that noise? I think it's crows, but I'm not sure. Hi there. Are you a mama? You took a peanut yesterday, so you've learned? You learned how much fun they are? Here. Come right in front of this little 2.8 cam. Come on down here. Come on down in front of the camera. Okay, we won't push our luck. We're pushing our luck with her, guys and gals. I want one in front of this camera. You know that's a 2.5 compared to this 1080. Where are you? Where are you? Would you kindly move a little bit so I could... It is the crows. It's you guys again. I tell you what's so ironic about this, guys and gals. I put on a video yesterday of crows doing all this stuff in my house where these crows were out here. And I was like, who's making all these noises? What's going on? What do crows sound like? So I put it into Google. It made everyone... I watched a crow do every one of these things. And I come out and our crows are doing it. It's like they watched the movie too. Isn't that funny? Look at all the sounds they can make. I didn't know they could make so many sounds. I thought they would just caw, caw, caw. That cool or what? Let me set this down if I can. I'm going to throw him bread while he's doing his thing. Or did I lose him yet? If I could set the tripod down, then I wouldn't have to deal with it. I want to see what happens when I throw him bread. I want to talk him down. It's so hard for me to find them once I deal around them. Let me get the tripod standing. May not stay like this, it might fall over. I really want to talk him into coming down bread while I'm dealing with him. Can't do it, guys and gals. Come here. I got bread. I don't know what you're looking at. I didn't get him in the frame. Where is he? So hard for me to see. I'll leave him in the frame if I can. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Come on down. Look, I got bread for you. Got 2 or 3 of you up there now, hey? Come on down. What are you doing? Your bread. I'm getting you bread. What are you doing, buddy? Guys and girls, I got a... Is he still there? Yeah. I got a 4K cam coming. And see what we're looking at right now is me standing on the ground looking up 4 times zoom. We're going to have 18. We're going to be able to look inside that guy's head. We're going to see everything. I just got interested in this stuff. And I can't stop. It's fun. Look at that crap. I didn't know crows did all that stuff. Mama's over here wanting a peanut, and I'm going to try to feed her into 2K. You guys watch this. I'll go see what happens over here. Hey, Mama, you want a peanut? Have another one right here. You're right in front of this camera. Oh, thank you. You're right in front of this camera. Oh, thank you. Boy, I sure hope that came out, guys and gals. I just gave him one in front of the 2K. Good, he's moving around. I was hoping he would come down. Come on down, buddy. I'll back off. I'll back off. Just decided to better show. So nice. I think he's thanking me. Look at the colors. Wait till I get that 4K, guys. Look at that. That's what I call nice. Let me try to see if I can pedestal it. He's moving, of course. There's two here. They're both, I think they're happy about the bread. I'm going to leave them alone. I'm going to play with the mama. We gave her a couple peanuts. Do this little morning video. It's more like a brunch video, guys. I don't know what time it is, but I feel like I've been up a long time. I'm working on videos. No Tank last night. I don't know if I've mentioned it. I'm really kind of nervous about Tank. He didn't get a lot of food, but he's fat enough. He'll be all right a couple days if he can't make it out here. But he did eat once the night before last, so he's missing again. That's bad news. I sure like little Tank with his, I call it a Shrekier because it got chewed up or something. So they do clicks, they do all kinds of stuff. Hey guys, I'm gonna cut it out. It's cool, but once you see it, you've seen it. I've never seen it before. We'll catch them a little bit here and there for the new people, but I was concentrating on feeding the little mama and... Here, mama, here. You want to feed some? Oh. Come on, chill girl. If you pay attention, she used to run up the tree. I never saw her. Now she runs over to this tree on the deck. And I just got one on the 2.5K. Boy, I hope it came out nice. Okay, guys and gals. You go eat your stuff. I'm going to leave him alone. He won't come down while I'm here. I'll pause and then I'll get back there and I'll video him coming down. I'll bet you he'll come down.